Hi everybody and welcome to today's session of What You See. My name is Greg and this is Greg's Creative Lab. In today's session, we're going to show you some solutions where we have fun with typography, acronyms, and letter forms. Specifically how you can take a letter form and create a logo or an image in of itself directly from the letter form. So have you ever wondered, how do you create a logo that speaks to two different audiences at the same time? Today I'm going to show you a logo and an initiative where we speak to audience number one, which is high school students, and then audience number two, businesses and industries. We're going to put all that together into one initiative. And this initiative is called Market You. I said just a few minutes ago that we're going to have some fun with acronyms and letter forms. In this particular situation, the U stands for Market University. So here's the logo that I created for Market University. The basics of the logo, of course, is the letter form U, and it has a double meaning, maybe even a triple meaning. Of course, the U stands for university. But as I said earlier, how do we talk to two different audiences? So when I talk to students, I let them know we're marketing you. We're going to sell you your skills, your passion, and your knowledge to businesses and industries that want to employ you. The second area that we're going to be marketing to are businesses and industries. So when I go to a business and I want them to partner with our school system or I want them to partner with our program, I get to walk up to them and say, I want to market you to our students. What specific students? We have different classes or areas. An example would be students could be taking engineering courses or drafting courses or maybe even carpentry courses. I go to those industries, an architectural firm, a general contracting firm, maybe a construction firm, and I let them know I want to market you to the program. I want to market you to the students. Ultimately, I want to introduce the students who are taking classes and developing skills to your industry and your company. At the same time, when these students are taking these classes, I go to the students and tell them I want to market you to potential employers. I want to market you to potential colleges or technical colleges who can help you continue your education beyond high school. So in this particular program, when I say market you, it refers to number one, Market University, number two, marketing the business to the school systems and the students. So what we're doing with this initiative is we're marketing you, the business, to our program and students so we can help provide you with qualified workforce candidates. And those candidates, which would be our students now, will have already taken a lot of courses in high school in order to prepare for future employment with you or your industry. We're also marketing to the students. So we want to help them find their passion and their aptitude, and we want to teach them the skills and we want to teach them the knowledge that it'll take to go to post-secondary options such as colleges or technical schools, or even go directly into the workforce and have already built into their system a knowledge base and confidence and a network of potential employers and contacts in the career areas that they're teaching. So with this program, Market You, we are marketing to businesses, we're marketing to students, and we're also marketing to colleges and technical schools. And with a logo like this, which is a variation of my first logo, you can see where we're emphasizing the letter U. In this particular case, it personalizes the logo and it personalizes the program. So I said earlier in the video that we're developing a program and a family of logos. So the question that we asked ourselves, How do we dress businesses and truly engage them in different ways in our education and different ways that we can help build our student knowledge base and skill base in their particular area? So here's the family of logos that I mentioned earlier that I created. As you can see, I take this letter form, which again is called Graduate, that's the name of the font family, and I created this logo for a program we called Industry and Me. And in this particular case, it's a teacher externship. And as you know, our teachers really are talent developers. They are teaching our students different skill sets and providing them a knowledge base to be successful in college or directly into the workforce if the student chooses to go there. So when I said earlier we're going to have some fun with acronyms, we called this particular initiative Industry and Me. And as you can see, IM are the initials, so I created this particular logo called IM Talent Development. This just pays, I'll say, a compliment to our teachers. So what our teachers are doing is they're developing talent, and that talent will go to college, technical schools, or maybe even directly into the workforce. So this particular logo, IM Talent Development, represents an initiative for our teacher externships. Our teachers get work with the companies and take that knowledge base back to their classrooms. This particular logo, Entrepreneur IM. This is a logo for an initiative for our students who want to be entrepreneurs. And in this particular case, you can see this logo consists of a light bulb, an exclamation point, and of course the letter E. I'm going to show you a little bit closer what those elements really mean. Here you go. So as you see, the light bulb is actually made from the letter O in that font that I've used throughout this program. The letter O is used as the light bulb. As you see, the exclamation into it is to bring excitement and enthusiasm that every entrepreneur is going to need to be successful. So in this particular logo, we've used the letter form O from the font Graduate to create the light bulb. And as any entrepreneur will tell you, you're going to need enthusiasm, you're going to need energy, and you're going to need excitement. Hence, I took the exclamation point and I located it in the center of our light bulb. So with this particular graphic, the letter E stands for entrepreneur, but it also could stand for energy, excitement, or enthusiasm, especially when we follow it with the exclamation point. So here's an example of how we took our letter form and our typography and directly created a logo for it. I hope you've enjoyed all these different logo variations. I'm going to show you very quickly how you can take our typography and create multiple logos for different initiatives all within one basic program, but they all still have that family look together. I hope you enjoyed today's program and you found something intriguing about it. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.